My name is Greg Morris and I'm with Promont Insurance Advisors. If you're an insurance agent and looking for a way to grow and carve out a niche, I want to talk to you about allied healthcare. Today I want to provide you the top 3 reasons why the allied healthcare market can help your agency grow. The first reason I want to discuss is there is a large and growing number of customers. Allied healthcare is a very broad class that is having new entrants every day. Unlike some of the larger and more marquee classes, such as hospitals and nursing homes, the financial barriers of entry are much lower. That is allowing startups throughout the sector. With the overabundance of new clients, agents can find new customers to represent. And where are those new businesses coming from? The allied healthcare sector has an estimated annual industry revenue of $195 billion. That ranges from home healthcare to physical therapy to medispas to medical clinics. Essentially, the healthcare classes that are outside nursing homes, correctional, hospitals, and physicians. There is an aging population in the U.S. From 2020 to 2030, there will be 4 million baby boomers retiring each year. As the population ages, there are various needs for activities of daily living. Around 40% of the seniors over 65 have some degree of home health care or home care. The trend of aging is pushing towards aging in their homes and communities instead of the historical residential institutions. With more people needing healthcare services, there needs to be more companies providing these services. Also, it is common for these companies to grow over time. The insurance policy premiums will increase with the additional exposure, thus increasing commission revenue. These companies will need a variety of insurance coverages, and Promont can help with those various coverages. The second point, there is market capacity, and there are a number of carriers and MGUs that want to write these accounts. The allied healthcare industry has the capacity to write the expected industry growth. This is great for agents, as we see a pullback on some coverages even if there is premium. The capacity in allied healthcare is broad and allows for specialization on the carrier and MGU side. To help differentiate from the pack, Promont has continued to work on providing consistency to our services and coverages. Promont has the coverage flexibility to compete with carriers and programs that might just be entering the space. Specialized MGUs like Promont are focused on understanding the specialized coverages and exposures for this sector. Allied healthcare MGUs don't usually have property and excess capabilities. Promont is able to offer both of those and other coverages to help round out the package. And the third point that I wanted to address is allied healthcare provides the ability for an agent to specialize and stand out. In addition to finding the clients and carriers to write the business, the agent needs to be able to stand out. After all, there are lots of individuals with the same goals. Allied healthcare, more than others, can allow the agent to specialize and show their expertise in the needed coverages. With the various carriers, there are lots of different forms. Unlike property, almost every carrier uses a different form. There might be unique exclusions or gaps of coverage. There are some unique approaches out there. A knowledgeable agent can walk the client through the needed coverages to ensure that there are less coverage gaps. Working with specialized MGUs such as Promont can help to create a coverage package that limits the insurable gaps. Promont prides itself on knowing the industry forms, and we are there to help. With a variety of services that are in the allied space, the agent becomes a valuable consultant to the client and not just a portal. So if you're looking to grow your agency, allied healthcare is a great industry for that. Please get a hold of Promont Insurance Advisors and we can help you out.